Wednesday, September 23rd. And if you are following along and doing your work as you should be, then the next assignment after reading chapter 5 will be herd mentality. You are introduced to herd mentality in chapter 5, and this basically means that your beliefs or behaviors conform to the group to which you belong. So you will find both the actual Google Slides and then the PDF version. In case you are unable to read what is on the Google Slides, open up the PDF version because this one you can see with larger print. Once you have opened up the Google Slides, you will see that this is your very first slide. You only have two. You're going to go through and read all that is here for you, and it's pretty much just some information about herd mentality. Over here, you're going to answer the questions: which form of hook or attention grabber does the author use? So you have these particular ones here: use of humor, selling a scene, or stating a fact. You're going to take this circle here and you will move it to wherever the answer is. So as you can see. Okay, and I don't know if C is the answer. I haven't gone through and looked at these just yet. So I was just showing you how to move these circles to the answer. Once you click off, you'll see it and then move it back. As far as highlighting, you are going to take, again, if you click on it, you can then move it over, and then you will make it bigger however you need to in order to highlight the areas that are answering this particular question. That is what you will do for slide 1 and slide 2. That is herd mentality. The next assignment on your list is to read chapter 6 and answer the rebellion changes. So when you open this particular Google document up, you will see that for chapter 6, there are some things that happen that change since the rebellion. So once you've read through chapter 6, it's going to ask you what has changed, and you're going to answer the things that have changed for Sundays, for harvest, food, and so on and so forth. And then there should be some type of pattern that you're going to see because of these changes. So answer this question here. And then you have just a couple more questions to answer. What is ironic about the voluntary work? What do the animals do to crush rock for the windmill project? So on and so forth. So these are the assignments that you should be working on as of today. If you want to continue on, then it's just reading chapter 7 and close reading for an assignment there. If not, just make sure that you have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 by the end of Friday. If you do that, then you are on target as far as answering and turning in your work. If you have any questions, please make sure you message me. Make sure that you are watching all the videos, and hopefully you guys have a great Wednesday. Bye.